National Policy. Grace Nganga KTN.
Now, a requiem mass has been held for former Cabinet Minister Dalmas Otieno, who died several weeks ago at his Nairobi home after a short illness.
Family, friends and leaders across the political divide gathered at the Don Bosco Catholic Church in Nairobi on Tuesday to honor the late Cabinet Minister.
Among those present were PLP leader Mark Karua, Migori Governor Ochilo Ayako, and former Cabinet Secretaries Raphael Tuju, Eliud Owalo, Moses Kuria, among other dignitaries.
The late minister was eulogized as a long-serving leader who served with dedication and expertise.
Legacy will be told questions.
I used to read his notes, and he similarly read my notes, and our notes were very complimentary. We worked very well together. He was very competitive.
For a long time, consulted with him, but I must confess also that my first impression of Dalmas was almost negative. And it was planted on me because when we left the university, we were so obsessed with Ochilo Ayako becoming MP for Rongo that we were scheming with TJ Kajwang and other people how to remove TJ Kajwang, Dalmas Otieno, that I almost believed that he was a bad man. Shame on you, Governor Ochilo Ayako.
Dalmas is just resting, but his spirit will go on.
I married Dalmas, a very handsome man. He gave me problem with women.
Oh boy.
Yes. Because Dalmas was handsome, that no woman could pass without turning her head, looking at him. But I played it cool because I'm a born-again Christian. I don't have jealousy. I lived with Dorothy.
Well, remember, the late Cabinet Minister will be laid to rest on Thursday. More details to follow. Allow us to take a short commercial break right here on KTN Prime. We'll be back with much more information for you. To stay with us.